Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. In my previous weekly sectoral analysis video, if you remember, I clearly stated that in case if Nifty spot manages to close below 21,900, 21,850, then this particular breakdown, this particular rising wedge breakdown, which did occur on 13th of March, and the weakness that it generated on the charts, it would continue on the downside. Now, after this first breakdown, we saw that there was 2 to 3 days of bounce back and a little bit of consolidation, but this particular rising wedge itself did give some sort of resistance to the price, and we saw the prices melting down. Today morning, there was a surprise gap down, and it did feel that till the time we are above this particular support level, chances are that the indices will try to inch higher. But it was really surprising that relentlessly we saw selling continuing in the Nifty spot. Now the trend in the short term, in the hourly time frame chart, in the daily time frame chart, both seems to be down. Now talking of supports, I think the immediate support is obviously at 737 to 700 levels. So as the Nifty spot continues to go down, then it's probable that we'll test 21,730 to 21,700 levels. And once we break 21,700 on closing basis, then the next level to be tested could be somewhere around 21,550 to 21,527. All right. Talking of Bank Nifty is slightly different poised in comparison to Nifty, because if you just see the daily time frame chart, we have a big red candle over here in the Nifty spot chart, but in the Bank Nifty, we have been seeing since last 4 days all the candles with small real bodies. All right. If you have a look at the hourly time frame charts, even over here, there are a lot small real bodies. And the clear reason for that is private banking stocks are not allowing the Bank Nifty to go down. If you just have a look at the private banking space, you can see stocks like Kotak has closed in green, ICICI Bank just 0.25% up, HDFC Bank just 0.25% up. But since their weightage is high in Nifty and in Bank Nifty, you can see that the Bank Nifty has not been able to close as low as the Nifty did. Because Nifty, if it closes close to 238 to 240 points down, then Bank Nifty should be at least 3 times down in terms of points, which has not happened. If you remember in my previous weekly sectoral analysis, there was one more thing which I stated, that if this correction continues on the downside, then the sectors to get affected could be PSU banks, and you can see PSU banks have fallen more today in comparison to private banks. Energy pack I had stated, I had also shared auto pack. Auto pack, although it has not fallen that much, consumer pack is more than 1% down. Infra is more than 1% down. IT pack is consolidating. Pharma pack also I stated, and even PSU and realty. So all the sectors which I stated, which can correct, have corrected a lot. Yes, comparison to all other sectors, reality somehow has corrected less, because reality sector is one sector which has rallied much more in comparison to few other sectors. Now, again, coming back to Bank Nifty, the trend will remain down, and I guess the weakness should continue. We are near a immediate support of 46,190 to 46,155, because there are a couple of candle wicks which are providing support in the short term. I guess once they are taken off on the downside, we will be able to see lower levels in Bank Nifty. All right. So just summing it up all, I guess it seems that weakness may continue in the next few days. As a positional trader, as a swing trader, you should be very, very clear in your mind that when we had the time to make money, we did make money. But when it's time that the market is trying to take all its profits back from you, you should be very, very vigilant. And as a trader, if you're holding any positions on the long side, especially positional trades, you should exit them in case if your trading stop losses are getting hit. All right. So I hope this particular video has helped you to understand how markets might move in the next few days. If you find this video helpful, try to share it with other traders as well. Trade less, trade wisely. Thank you.